Today we will be adding fractions with unequal denominators. There's two methods we're going to be using, the area model and the linear model. Our word problem for the day is Jessie walked 1/3 of a mile yesterday. Today she walked 2/4 of a mile. How many total miles did she walk in all? So to find our answer, we know we're going to be adding 1/3 and 2/4. It's for the definition of a parts of whole, we have to do A out of B over B of a whole indicates the whole partitioned into equal sized parts, and of those parts being considered. So a common misconception too is students think you just add across when you're adding fractions, which looks easy, but it's not. You have to actually have the same equal denominator to get the answer. You can't just add across. If the denominator was the same, then you could. So to start, we're going to use our area model. The area model is with units squared. First, it's the whole of each fraction we're going to draw out. So to find how many squares they have to be the equal size. So we're going to do 3 down. I'm going to use the red. So 3 down, 3 units down, and 4 units across to make it equal. So to represent 1/3, we need to divide it into 3 equal parts. So we're going to go across 1, 2. So now we have 3 equal parts, and we're going to fill in the numerator, which is 1. So this now represents 1/3. Now we're going to add, or we're going to represent our 2/4. So we have to make the rectangles the same. So we're going to do 3 down and 4 across, 4 units across to represent 2/4. We're going to split it up into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are shading in 2 for the numerator. 1, 2. Now, to add, we have to split this into, each model represents 1/3 and 1/4, but we have to subsidize each one so we get the same equal amount, which is the denominator. So we need to make the same exact box. So this is, or before we do that, we need to split up our 1/3. So we're subsidizing, since we put 4 equal 2/4, we need to split our 1/3 into 4s, just like that. So we're splitting our 1/3 up into 4 equal segments. So now we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 units total. So we're going to do the same thing with the 4s. We're going to split it up into thirds. So just go across thirds just like we did. And we notice we have 12. So now we can see we have 4 12ths and 6 12ths. To add those together, we're going to draw the same exact amount of units, and we are going to now count how many. We're going to split it up in the same amount, so it's 12 units. Split up in 12. 4 down, 3 across. So now we're going to look at our 1/3. We're going to fill in how many squares we have in the 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to fill in 4 units. Now we're going to look at our 2/4. We see that we filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to fill in 6 units. 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to count how many shaded out of the total of units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 12 total units. So our answer is 10 over 12. She walked a total of 10 12 miles. You can see here. Okay, now we're going to move to the linear model. For the linear model, we are going to divide equal line segments that represents 1/3 and 2/4. So for 1/3, we're going to do 12 equal lines on the number line. So, because we need to split it up in thirds and fourths. So first we're going to do 1/3. The red, sorry. 1/3. So we're going to start, we got to put 0, so here's 0. And go all the way to 12. So 1, 2, 3. Count 12. Okay. So we split the line into total of 12, so now we have to split 1/3 up into 3 equal sized sections. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to put 1/3 here. Two-thirds here. 1, 2, 3. And here's 1.